Good medical morning. This is Watson with a roundup video of the best pimples of Reddit. You get all the pictures and videos without any of the mean comments from neckbeard trolls. So let's kick it off right about now. First, we have this incredible dilated pore from user Hunter781. For reference, a dilated pore is essentially a large blackhead. The contents inside are much like that of an epidermoid cyst. Redundantly came up with this picture of a blackhead from his dog. I know a lot of you don't love pictures, but this HD one is fantastic. User Patmygonia is removing a nerve blocking catheter after ACL reconstruction. Next is another image of this pimple. What do you think? This has to be filled with staph, right? Here's a simple pimple pop by Quoketh. I think I said that right. Pick up your pimple popper tools in the link below. By the way, did you know that Dr. Sanja Lee uses a Schomburg style extractor? She sells them for $20 each. The link we have below includes a 7-pack of high quality extractors, a pimple popper card, a nifty handling case, shipped to your house from Amazon for about 15 bucks, so click like for that. I'll leave you with this video. Comment below with what you think it is.